guys, now I'm going to teach you how to assemble the accessories with the Tslot. As you can see here on our table, we have the slider nut, a bolt and the gasket here. Now I'm going to teach you how to use the slider nut. Okay, now first let me show the cross section first. As you can see, here is the slot. Okay, now it's the slider nut. There are two slots here. We can now slide it into the Tslot. Here is the gasket and the bolt. Now we can slide it from this side to another side. Finally, we can use a screw to fasten it. Okay, here now we are done. Now I'm going to introduce how to assemble the bracket with the accessories: 2 slider nuts, 2 bolts, 2 gaskets, and one of our most important one, the bracket. Now I will show you how to assemble them. This is the final effect of the frame. Okay,